Hello there. This is my first YouTube video. Amazing. It's really hard to figure out what to say for a video like this. I'm sure with enough practice and enough working, I will know the right things to say with videos. And I think a part of it is just, the content that you're working on usually needs to be related to the things you're actually interested in. So, you find something interesting, you do some content on it, and then, you'll get some good cycle going. But for this first video, I don't really have some particular topic I want to talk about. I'm actually making this video because I told myself on stream that I was going to make this YouTube video and put it out there. So, hello, this is me. I expect this video to get exactly 10 billion views in less than 2 seconds when I upload it to YouTube, to be clear. And if I don't get that, horrible things are going to happen. So for anybody who doesn't know me, my name's Kyle. I'm a data engineer. I build data pipelines for companies. And I also have a bunch of side projects I work on too. One of the side projects I've been working on right now is something I've been calling eidos, which is a fancy term from Greek philosophy. Basically, the way to think about it is it's like Wikipedia, but instead of having a bunch of anonymous editors that you don't know, you actually have large language models do a lot of the linguistic reasoning for it. This provides a lot of benefits. I'm not going to go too in detail with it in this video. This is just an introductory video right now, but I think that a lot of the problems that Wikipedia has right now can be solved by using large language models, interestingly enough, and I think we can actually get a better version of Wikipedia if we get enough effort into making this thing happen. Now, I've been doing a lot of streaming for this too. I was streaming on Kick initially, then I started streaming on Twitch. I was a little bit stupid about this, in all honesty. When I was doing my streaming on Kick, I didn't actually know that Kick was basically invented so that people could it was like made by a gambling website. I just saw Kick and I was like, oh, like it pays way more and like it doesn't have the weird moderation stuff that like Twitch has where they seem to selectively enforce their rules. Maybe that's the right way to go about it. And obviously that's wrong in retrospect. That's obviously moronically wrong in retrospect, but that's fine. So I've been streaming for quite a bit and trying to make things work and trying to make things go and do my stuff inside of it. So this is my first video on it. I was, in an ideal world, this video is something that I have a demo of the eidos website working, and I did have it working, and I did have it really working pretty well. And then I tried to upgrade to using workflows for convex, and then I learned that there's parallelism limits on the convex workflows that caused me problems. So then I tried to move to the Vercel workflows, and Vercel workflows look better, but unfortunately it's right now a little bit broken because I essentially am trying to get my setup working for it properly locally, and Vercel doesn't have a great way to test a workflow. Not a workflow, it doesn't have a great way to test some of the compute it has locally on your own system, especially when your compute has to talk to a workflow and you have to get all this other stuff going. So we're working on getting that fixed as well. So I think that is my first video, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Cool. All right. First video, I guess, is out there. Awesome. Congratulations. 10 out of 10.